I was looking at different programs, and some programs are offering like a la carte. You can try different kinds of methods. And existential analysis is 4.5 years of existential analysis. And I remember thinking like, whoa, 4.5 years, only one method. And I must say, I don't regret, I didn't regret it for a minute. Every session of this 4.5 years was deepening and deepening into myself. And I'm often asked, how is it to go through the right now I'm with the L1, the second group. And I was asked like, how is it for you to listen to it the second time? Our mind and psychic is such a puzzle, such a beautiful enigma that going through it again, it's such a beautiful way of understanding myself and ourselves. I must say that as the result of the program, I feel like I'm a much better friend to myself. And for a practitioner, it does feel very solid. I feel very solid in my practice, what I do and how I do. And I would say that if you're choosing between different programs, this program is about going into depth. So if you are a kind of person who needs to go deeper and deeper inside, I would say this is the place, because as Kate and Olivier and Zoe were saying over and over again, we would be asking the questions, how is it inside me, first of all, and only then we go and talk with the client about those things. And that's a beautiful experience. And if you're into, and there is not, I mean, different programs are beautiful in a different way. So I'm sure different things are possible, but this program is about depth. And if it's something you're looking for, that's the place. So.
Thank you, Alexandra. Thank you very much. I think it is very precisely that the main focus is to